In today's video, we'll be reviewing the Pale Blue Lithium batteries for 9 volt. That is right. If you guys did not know, I ordered these here today. The reason why I ordered them is because I'm going to the beach and I need 9 volt batteries to actually charge my microphone. So to do that and not spend more money on actual 9 volt batteries because they are expensive, I bought Rechargeable by Pale Blue. And today we're gonna unbox them, review them with you guys, and see how they work. So let's get right into it. So here is the packaging for the Pale Blue batteries. You can see how it looks on both sides. Pretty nice. Nothing too fancy to it. Of course, what you're gonna do is literally just pop open the top when you get it. Hopefully I don't break this in the process. The packaging is like made of cardboard, so it's not like the best per se. But of course, when you open it right out of the gate, you'll get the charger for this. It's a dual micro USB USB charger for the actual batteries because they charge by USB-C and also by micro USB. So that's how you charge them. So you can literally just use your phone charger if you have a Samsung device or something similar to that. Now, if I can ever get the batteries on out, that'd be great. Alright, now I got the batteries on out. It's just a bit stuck still. You can actually see they come in a little packaging, which is pretty nice. So you can pop open the back here, and here are your batteries that you can charge. Now you can see on the bottom here that you have a micro USB and a USB-C charging area. And of course, you basically just take this battery and also plug it on in. You can plug in both of them at a time, of course, and in that way you can actually charge both of them at the same time. Now, you probably won't be charging both at the same time. You'll probably use one, then save the other one to charge as a backup. So that way you can plug it on in and do anything you want. But of course, you just plug this into a thing. To plug this on in into a USB area, it will start charging the batteries. And you can actually indicate where the batteries are actually getting charged on it. I forget exactly where. Yeah, it's on the back here. So you can actually see that there's a red dot indicating that it has no power. So you can actually let these charge by using this, and that way they're good to go. And of course, if you use a USB-C, it'll of course be faster. So for example here, I grabbed myself my USB-C charger for my phone I usually use, and we're going to just plug this into one of the batteries. And with that, it will charge it just faster that way, which is going to be very, very nice. So you can see here now it's charging with that, which is pretty cool. And that way you can actually use these batteries. Now I'm pretty sure when they come right out of the gate, they're not going to be fully charged at all. And I can test it just by switching the battery in my mic. So does that work? Okay, it looks like it worked. So it looks like these batteries are charged when you get them right out of the box. They probably don't have a whole lot of battery though, so you just gotta keep that in mind. Okay, so I just finished testing the batteries. I've been using them a lot since I've been at the beach. The only thing is with it, I got a little bit of water on this one battery. You can actually see right here, it got a bit of corrosion on it, so you just gotta be careful when you're actually near water and stuff like that. It hasn't really affected the performance on it at all, so I haven't had really any issues with that. Same thing for charging it, doesn't really matter too much, but I definitely make sure not to do that again. But I've been using these batteries for the last 2 days and I have no problem with my mic especially. I've been using the other one right now since this one's dead. I need to charge it. So yeah. Anyways, the batteries are awesome. Gotta quickly just say that. If you guys enjoyed this review and did find this interesting or even helpful, make sure to smash the like button and get subscribed. And of course, the link will be to these batteries down below. If you want to use that link to support me, very much appreciated. Until then, Tech Grant, out.